Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. How are you, my dear subscribers and my all viewers? I hope you are all fine and good. Today you will see in this video gorgeous and stylish modern older woman short bob haircut designs. If you like the video, don't forget to like it. Today's video is very special, so friends, watch my video till the end so that you do not miss any hair cutting and hairstyle ideas. If you want to get most beautiful haircut, then you must watch the full video and take a screenshot of whichever haircut or hairstyle you like. After taking a screenshot, you can save it to your mobile, and whenever you have your haircut or hairstyle your hair by showing this picture, you can get your haircut from any beauty salon in your area. After watching the video, you must comment in the comment section how did you like our video, how do you like our channel videos, and what you want to see on our channel. I will be very happy to follow our comments, so friends will definitely comment. I would like to introduce you to my YouTube channel. In my video, I give you brand new hairstyle, haircuts and hair dye color ideas, which is about the latest trending haircuts, hairstyles and hair dye coloring ideas from all over the world that you can use to make your personality more charming. If you are a fashion lover and want to know the latest haircuts, hairstyles and hair dye trends in fashion, then subscribe to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. My channel publishes videos that focus on new and emerging haircuts, hairstyles and hair coloring trends for girls and women, both in the fashion industry from all over the world. If that sounds like it could be helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. I have a small request that you will share my video with your friend and also with your family, because everyone needs haircutting and styling. Sharing your video will help them too, and you will help me somehow. I will keep bringing good videos for you guys. Don't forget to like my videos, subscribe to my channel and share the video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. At the same time, I would like to ask your permission to leave. See you in another nice video. Until then, you will take care of yourself. Thank you. You will see different haircuts design. So I will meet you in next videos.